number of data elements types in the previous video that form the basic elements of multimedia applications. While the progression of graphical user interfaces opened the way for a variety of multimedia applications, document image management is the first widely used application that requires storage of large volumes of data in document images format. The fundamental concept of storage, compression, and decompression and display technologies used for multimedia systems were developed for document image management. In fact, document image management still plays a very important role in most office applications based on multimedia systems. Image processing, also known as image recognition, is a very different application. Even though it is based on some of the same technologies, while document image management is primarily intended for scanning documents and retaining their images, that is, potentially annotating them. Image processing and image recognition are intended for recognizing objects by analyzing their raster images. Image processing applications are used for automatic floor inspections and sorting of parts coming out of manufacturing plants. For example, nuts, bolts, brackets, etc. or for guiding robots performing specialized tasks. The rapid evolution and spread of GUIs has made it possible to implement multimedia applications widely accessible to desktop users in an office environment. Since it is important to understand the concept of document image management systems and set of proper backdrop for understanding the management of multimedia systems. We will start with a description of document image management system. So in this section, we will look at these types of applications. The very first application of multimedia is document imaging. Document image is first very basic application of multimedia that requires to store large volume of data. The fundamental concept of storage, compression and decompression and display technologies used for multimedia systems were developed for document image management. Image processing and image recognition is a very different application to process the image. Image processing and image recognition are intended to recognizing objects by analyzing their raster images. Document imaging is a technology that takes the hard copy of a document and converts it into a digital format. Document imaging makes it possible to store, retrieve, and manipulate large volumes of documents, drawings, and other graphical representation of data. It is used in electronic data entry. Because of document imaging, searching and locating documents becomes quite easier. This system is used everywhere, like in any office system, medical processing system, etc. Minimum display resolution of 100 to 200 dots per inch display is required for legibility. Compression efficiency of over 20:1 is desired for document images, requiring 75 kilobytes of storage for an A4 size paper at 300 dots per inch rate. Document image systems use workflows that are customized for the purpose for which is being used. The workflow defines sequence for scanning images, performing quality check, performing data entry based on content of images, indexing them, and storing them on optional media. Another application of multimedia is image processing. Digital image processing can be used to pre-processing, that is enhancement of digital images, extracts the characteristics features of an image that are region, boundary, and skeleton. Image recognition is used in face recognition, fingerprint identification systems, etc. Digital image processing is the use of computer algorithms to perform image processing on digital images, altering the characteristics of the image. Image processing involves image recognition, image enhancement, image synthesis, and image reconstruction. Here, image synthesis is the process of creating new images from some form of image description. The objective of image compression is to reduce interrelevance and redundancy of the image data in order to be able to store and transmit data in an efficient form. Image recognition is one more application of multimedia. In the context of machine vision, it is the ability of software to identify objects, places, people, and writing in images. Computer can use machine vision technologies in combination with the cameras and artificial intelligence softwares to achieve image recognition. Face recognition system, fingerprint recognition systems, handwriting recognition systems, optical character recognition system, that is OCR. These are the few examples of image recognition system. Image processing system is a combination of image enhancement, image annotation, and image animation. So, what is image enhancement? Image enhancement will highlight some details of images by increasing sensitivity and contrast, make the picture darker by making borderline pixels black and increasing grayscale level of pixels. Next, what is image annotation? Image annotation is the process by which a computer system automatically assigns metadata in the form of captioning or keywords to a digital image. Next, image animation. We all know what is animation. Image animation technology was developed by Walt Disney and brought into every home in the form of a cartoon, that Cartoon Network. Animation is the rapid display of sequence of images in order to create an illusion of motion. Images can be of two types: computer generated or captured, that is scanned. Computer-created digital images are displayed sequentially at controlled speed. It is used successfully in designing moving parts such as automobile engines. Here are few more multimedia applications. Full motion digital video applications, that are, or you can say examples, online training and manuals, games and entertainment, that pay-per-view, interactive games, online concerts. Business applications are presentations, video conferencing, email. These are what few additional applications of multimedia.